Okay, then we are on the phone number. This system protects our body by fighting against the infection. Okay, this system protect our body by fighting against the infection. The name of them is immunity. Okay, immune system which is protect our body from the many disease. Okay, so we can eat some healthy food, then our immunity become very increase, and which is capable to fight against the disease. Okay, so there is a immunity, and the 5 number is the largest organs in our body. Okay, which is the largest organ in our body part. Okay, which is the largest organ? The largest organ is the skin. Okay, skin it's covered all organs. Okay, so it's the skin, it's the largest organ of our body. Okay, then we are on the next. Okay, the 6th number, the strongest bond in the body. Very strongest bond in our body part. So there is it's a femur. Okay, the name of it's a femur. And the 7th number, joint which helps in rotating a body in all directions. Okay, the joint where there is a many joints. Okay, there is a hands joining, there is a legs joining, there is a hip joining. Okay, so joint which helps in rotating a body in all directions. Okay, just like that we can move our hand all directions. Okay, in all directions. So it's the name of it's a ball and socket. See, just like a ball and socket means which is move easily to our ball. Okay, in all sides of them. So it's a joint. One type of joint that is a ball and socket joint, which is a help in rotating a body in all directions. Okay, in all directions. Then the 8th number, vertebral column of a man has a blank bones. Okay, vertebral column of a man has a blank bones. How many bones there? There is a 33. Okay, there is a 33 bones. Then the 9th number, colorful part of eye. Okay, it's a very colorful part of our eye. It's the name of it's a iris. The name of it's a iris. And the 10th number, a muscle. A muscle can. Okay, what the use of the muscles? Okay, what the use of the muscle? The muscle can. Okay, a muscle can pull back. A muscle can pull back. Okay, then we are repeat this chapter. Okay, the chapter number 45, measuring the human body. Okay, then the first lower part of the human brain and controls the involuntary actions. Okay, then controls the involuntary actions. The name of is medulla oblongata. Okay, the name of it's medulla oblongata. The second number, babies are born with over blank bones. Baby are born with over blank bones. Okay, babies are born with over blank bones. How many bones? 300 bones. The 3 number, the only organs that can regenerate. Okay, it's a regenerate. So the name of it's a liver. Okay, the name of it's a liver. This system protects our body by fighting against infection. Okay, this system protects our body by fighting against infection. The name of it's the immunity. Okay, immune system. And the 5 number, the largest organ in our body. Okay, the largest organ in our body, very largest organ is the skin. Okay, then the 6th number, the strongest bone in the body. Very strongest bone in the body is the femur. Okay, it's the femur. 7, joint with the helps in a rotating body in all directions. muscle, okay, pull by. Okay. Then our chapter number 42, 44 and 45, it's over. Okay, so it's related to GK subject, okay, for this standard 6. Then we are on the next chapter, okay, the chapter number 44, and it's a World Heritage Site in India. Okay, it's a World Heritage Site in India. There is some World Heritage Site of India. Okay, now we are on the first. The city of Victory was built by a Mughal emperor. Okay, city of Victory was built by a Mughal emperor. So the name of them is Fatehpur Sikri. Okay, the name of them is Fatehpur Sikri. The second, this fort is situated 47 kilometers to north of Vadodara. It was established by Vanraj Chapa. The name of them is Chapane Fort. Okay, it's a World Heritage Site of India. And the number 3, built by Buddhist monks about 2000 years ago. These caves are situated in Aurangabad. Okay, the name of the built by Buddhist monks about 2000 years ago. These caves are situated in Aurangabad, Ajanta Ellora caves. Okay, the name of them is Ajanta Ellora caves. Okay, the number 4, busiest railway station in India. Okay, busiest railway station. There is a busiest railway station of India. It's Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminal. And the number 5, these temples built by Chandela Rajputs are situated in Chhatrapur district in Madhya Pradesh. The name of them is Khajuraho Temple. Okay, so now the chapter number 44, World Heritage Site, is over. Then we are on the next chapter. Okay. Then we are on the next chapter. Okay, so chapter number 45. Okay, it's for the standard 6 and English medium section there. Okay, its a subject is GK. Then we are on the chapter number 45, the measuring the human body. Okay, human body is a very specific, very special machine. Okay, made by a God. So it's a very special things there. Okay, inside our body. So now we are on this chapter. Okay, we learn about the human body, and there is some specific question there. Okay, related to the human body. Okay, it's a correct option. Choose the correct option. Okay, there is a number 1, the lower part of the human brain. Okay, there is a brain. Okay, inside the skull. So there is a lower part of the human brain and controls the involuntary action. Okay, it's a lower part of the our brain. So it's a lower part of the human brain and controls the involuntary action. Okay, so the name of its medulla oblongata. Okay, the name of its medulla oblongata. Okay, then the second number, babies are born with blank bones. Okay, so babies, when the baby born, okay, there is a babies are born with blank bones. How many bones there? There is a 300. Okay, there is a 300 bones. Okay, there is a 300 bones there. Okay, and the 3 number, the only there is a 3 number, the only organs that can regrade there. Okay, the only organs that can regrade. Okay, the name of its regenerate. Okay, the only the organs that The name of its immune. So, and the 5 number, the largest organs in our body. Okay, whether it's a very largest organ. It's a very largest organ in our body. Hello kids, how are you all? I hope that all are fit and fine at home. Okay. Now I am taking your GK subject. It's for the 6th standard and English medium section there. Okay. There is a chapter. There is a chapter of chapter 42, and there is a name of the professionals. Okay. There is some professionals and some professions. Okay, their name of them, the particular name of them, we know them the name from. Okay, then there is a first, we can go, it's a match the following. Okay, but we can write as a answer. Okay, but listen all carefully. There is some match the following. Okay, the first is a person. Listen. The first is a person who excavated and studies an ancient monuments. Okay, the name a person who excavated and studies ancient monuments. Okay, we know them archaeologist. Okay, we know them archaeologist. Then the second number. Who studies coins? Who studies a person who studies on coins? The name of them is the numismatist. Okay, numismatist. Then the third number goes into space. Okay, a person who goes into space. The name of them is a astronaut. Okay, the name of them is a astronaut. The fourth number that there is a performs magic tricks. Okay, perform a magic tricks. Okay, we many times we see them, the person who make a magic on the some thing, some person on that. Okay, so a person who performs a magic tricks. The name of them is the magician. Okay, the 5 number it's the person who treats animals. Okay, a person who treats animals very well. Okay, means the treatment on that. Okay, this is the if the person's treatment done by a doctor, then the same type of the who treats the animals. Okay, the name of them is a veterinarian. Okay, veterinarian. Okay, then we can repeat that. Okay, who excavated and studies ancient monuments? We can say archaeologists. Who studies coins? The name of the numismatist. The 3 number goes into space. A person who goes into space. The name of it is astronaut. And the 4 number, the performs magic tricks. The perform magic tricks. The name of them is a magician. The 5 number treats animals. Okay, a person who treats animals, we can say it's a veterinarian. Okay, then we are here. The number 6 designs houses and buildings. Okay, who designs the houses and the buildings? The name of them is a architect. Okay, the name of it's a architect. The 7 number, there is a draftsman. Okay, draftsman, a person who drafts maps. The name of them is a cartographer. Okay, who make a maps. Okay, world maps, our country's map there, our state map. Means we can say the a person who drafts a maps. Okay, then we can say the cartographer. Okay, the 8 number studies and interprets the monuments of stars. Okay, studies and interprets the monuments of stars. Okay, we can say it's a astrologer. Okay, we can say it's a astrologer. Then the 9 number Okay, the name of them is a pharmacist. Okay, we can say pharmacist. Okay, and then number, a person who creates wood and stone to prepare artist object. Okay, a person who creates wood and stones to prepare artistic object. The name of them is a sculpture. Okay, sculpture. So now we can repeat the design of houses and building. It's a architect. Okay, we can say architect. A person who draft the maps. We can say it's a cartographer. Then a studies and the interprets the monuments of the star. We can say it's the astrologer. And a person who stocks and dispenses the medicinal drugs. We can say it's a pharmacist. Okay. Then the carves wood and the stone to prepare the artistic object. It's a sculpture. Okay. So now our chapter number 42 professionals it's over. Okay. Then we are going on next chapter.